Here is our dashboard groupings. SIA Lab 3. First, you can create your account, admin account. Okay, after creating, you can here on the dashboard, the admin can see the total students, quiz taken, average score, in students needing a review. Currently, we have only one top performer, which is JC, and here we can check the questions per quarter. Currently, we only have a 25 questions on quarter 1, and here we can check how many students there is per section. On C we got 8, B1 and A2. On the next page, profile, here you can change your account settings and check your personal information. You can change it here, and the password too. On the questions list, you can check the questions, add questions, or delete or update questions. Here on quarter 1, you can see all the questions. Here is the adding question. You can choose level. And here you can see the created question. That's it for our group dashboard, Lab 3 of SIA.